Very good evening, my dear students.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening. We are dealing with the chapter number 2, polynomials of the mathematics textbook. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Beta, in the last session, we studied about the zeros of a polynomial. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We learned the definition for the same and the detailed explanation about the same. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
today,
sir.
Sir.
based on the concept zeros of polynomial, we are going to solve the exercise 2.2. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, without delaying, let us start the exercise with the first main question. Pratibha, read the first main beta.
Okay,
I.
sir. Find find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at.
Okay, read beta, all the three.
Sir, only one they have given, sir. 5x minus 4x squared plus 3.
Yeah, beta, this is the
X
main
is
question.
equals to 0.
Yeah, yeah.
X is equals to minus 1. X is
uh, x
Okay, x is
x
equal
is
to
equal x is
0,
equal to
X
0.
is equal to
X
0.
is equal to
X
minus
is
1. X is equal to 2.
okay, fine. All of you look at the question here. Students, let me read the question once again for you people. See the question. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at number 1, x equal to 0, number 2, x is equal to minus 1, and the number 3, x is equal to 2. Is that clear, beta?
yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
What
sir.
does it
yes,
mean?
sir.
This is a polynomial given for you. We call it as p of x. The reason everywhere x is the variable, so I have taken p of x. If the variable is somewhat different, I'll change the notation here. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
This polynomial remains the same in all the three cases. Okay, we have to find the three different results for the given polynomial. So first one, what is the value given? X is equal to 0.
X is equal
Correct?
to
But
0.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
put x equal to 0. The meaning is put x equal to 0. You are going to get p of 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 the square plus 3. But look at the meaning. The meaning is the value of the variable is 0, which you have to substitute in the place of the variable in the given polynomial. So 5 as it is, in the place of x 0 has been taken, minus 4 as it is, in the place of x 0 is taken, since it is square, square is retained, plus 3 as it is. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. Now 5 into 0 is 0,
0
minus
and
yeah, 4 into 0
0.
the square
0.
is 0,
0.
plus then finally, again 0, 4 into 0 is 0
0.
plus
0.
3.
3, sir.
3.
3, sir.
3, sir.
P of 0, that is x is equal to 0, whenever you will put here, you are going to get the value as 3. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Copy beta fast. Do it quick.
Yes, sir. Copied, sir.
Yeah, done. Okay, beta, the same one.
Yes, sir.
Second, yeah. Second question. Polynomial remains the same. The value of x is going to be
Minus
changed.
1.
What is that? Minus 1.
Minus
So
1,
x,
sir.
yeah, we have to put x is equal to minus 1 in the place of this. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
beta, all of you solve it and tell me the final answer. Quick. Try it.
Sir, 2, sir.
2 is the answer, beta. Let us see.
Yes, sir.
5 into minus 1. It is minus 5 because plus into minus minus 5 into 1 is 1. Minus 4 as it is. Look at the square of minus 1 beta. Minus into minus becomes plus. 1 square is 1 only. Plus 3. Then minus 5. Minus into plus minus
No.
4 1 is 4. Plus 3. If you go for the final one, 5, 4, both
Minus
are
6.
negative data. Needs to be
Minus
added
13, sir.
and then plus 3. So finally, you are going to get P of minus 1 as minus 6. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But in the same manner, will you solve the third one? I'll give 1 minute of time. Put x is equal to 2
Okay,
and
sir.
tell me the final answer. Do it fast. Quick. Put x is equal to 2. I hope you people have done it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Beta Vaibhav, am I audible?
Sir,
Sir.
answer is minus 3, sir.
Answer
Okay,
is
beta.
minus 3, sir.
Minus 3,
Yeah.
sir.
Fine, fine. Vaibhav, am I audible? Okay, students, let us go for the third one in the first main. Yeah, what is the value given, beta? Third one?
2,
2,
sir.
sir.
X minus 3, sir.
2. So we have to put x equal to 2 in the place of this. So it becomes P of 2 as usual. 2 here, 2 here. If I try to solve, 5 2s are 10, minus
10.
4, 2 2s are 4,
4, sir.
plus 3, then 10, minus 4 4s are 16.
16.
Am I right? Then beta, this
Yes,
is
sir.
positive.
13 minus 16.
So finally, it is minus 3. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Beta, copy. Copy it fast.
Copied, sir.
Written. Yeah. Students, look at the answers here. Whatever the answers we got. What the answer we got beta in the first case?
3,
3,
sir.
sir.
Sir, 3, sir.
Minus 6, sir.
1 minute. Suman, you make yourself mute beta. There is a network disturbance. Okay. Second value, how much we got?
Minus 6,
sir.
sir. Minus 3.
Am I correct?
Third one,
Minus 3.
minus.
Beta, look at this. Everywhere we have got some different answers. We have not got 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anywhere we did not get 0. It means the values whatever they have given, x is equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. These are not the zeros of the given polynomial. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anyhow, in this question,
Yes,
there
sir.
is no need of thinking about 0 of a polynomial. But then also it is our duty because we are dealing with zeros of polynomial. Since the value, the final answer is not 0 in any of the case. So any of the values are not the zeros of the polynomial. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will go for the second main question. Veda, read beta, second main.
Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials.
Read once again, Veda, second main.
Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials.
Okay, beta, what is the first polynomial?
Py is equals to y square minus y plus 1.
Minus 5 plus 1. Beta, look at this. Why I said her to read one more time. Can anybody tell beta why I said her to repeat the question?
So P
So because
of
she is
0. It's
P
of
bracket 0.
Yeah, beta, it is
She
not
read
P0,
continually.
it is not P1, it is not P2.
P
It is
bracket.
P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. And it is not Py beta, it is P of y, polynomial in the variable y. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let us see, what is the change beta? See, if you see the first main and second main, there is no change at all. Only the values have been changed. This is the polynomial in the first case. Here you have to find three values, P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. It means X values they have given as 0, 1, 2. Earlier they gave 0, -1 and 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see how to do
And
it. Yeah, but here we have to go for P of 0. Therefore, P of 0 is equal to, directly beta, P, y place becomes 0. Then here 0 the square minus 0 plus 1. Is that clear?
yes, sir. Answer is 1.
Plus 1. So final answer is plus 1. This is your P of 0. But this is not the end beta. You have to find two more. What is the next one?
P of 1,
P
sir.
of 1.
So in the place of y, you have to put 1. It becomes 1 the
1.
square minus 1 plus 1. If I solve it, 1 square is 1 minus
Sir,
1 plus
again 1,
1.
sir.
Yeah, beta. Need
Answer
not to
is
worry.
plus 1.
Yeah, beta. Here, it is just a coincidence. We need not to worry about the same value is coming or what. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one more. Finally, which one we have to find?
P of 2.
2.
Let us do it. 2 the square minus 2 plus 1. So it is 4 minus 2 plus 1. Correct, beta?
3, sir. Answer.
Yeah. 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2 is 3. This is one answer. This is the second. This is the third. So the change beta, instead of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2, directly they said P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Copy it fast.
Copied, sir.
Yeah, beta. Yeah, fine. Students, in the second main, there are 4 questions. 1 to already I have solved. I will solve one more beta. Remaining 2 you have to do on own. It is very simple kind of things. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us go for the second one. Bhuneshwari.
Yes, sir. Second, P bracket T is equals to 2 plus T plus 2 into T square minus T cube.
Beta, read the question again.
P bracket T bracket close is equals to 2 plus T plus 2 into T square minus T cube.
Bhuneshwari, last attempt. Once again you read. Quick.
Yes, sir. P bracket T bracket close is equals to 2 plus T plus 2 into T square minus T cube.
Okay. Beta, can you tell me why I said her to repeat the question? What is the reason?
Sir,
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 because
that is
T
2
to the power
P
of
of T.
3, sir. She read continue T.
See there.
2.
In the first question also, I explained the same one. Again, anyhow, it is not completely wrong, beta. You can read it as P bracket T bracket complete. But simple, make it simple. P of T. Is that clear?
Of. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
sir.
think beta, we are supposed to read it as polynomial in the variable T. P of T only you are making Satyanash. If I tell polynomial in the variable T, completely gone. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Earlier one was Satyanash, this will become Sarvanash. Correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And the one more thing, this 2 plus t plus 2 into t square minus 2 cube, you can say, or else t to the power 3 also you can say. Clear, beta?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the change? Only the polynomial is changed, beta. Somewhat the different and a little bit increased. The developed polynomial. Earlier 3 terms, now here 4 terms. Earlier
terms.
the degree was 2, highest. What is the degree here, beta? 3. That is
Sir,
the
3,
change.
sir.
3, sir.
The rest all remain same, beta. Let us do the work. Therefore, p of 0. Wherever t is there, you have to put 0. Let us solve it. 0 means 0 only. 2 into 0 is 0. Better, better. I'll write
0.
directly.
Minus 0.
0. Yeah, minus 0. Everywhere 0 coming. What is the final
Answer is
answer?
2. 2, sir.
Yes, better. Now what I have to find?
P of 1.
P
Yeah,
of
let
1.
us 2 into 1 the square minus 1 the cube. But just in the place of t, I'm putting 1 and I'm trying to solve it. 2 as it is, plus 1 as it is, plus 2, 1 the square is 1, 1 into 2 is 2 only, minus 1 cube is 1. You can cancel positive, negative 1. Correct, beta?
Answer is 4, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus, yeah, p of 1 is 2. This is the first answer, this is the second answer. Beta, solve the third one, p of 2, and tell me the answer, quick. P of 2. Answer.
4, sir.
4, sir.
4 is
4,
your
sir.
4,
answer.
sir.
Beta, let us check what will be the answer. P of 2 I want. Let me check it out. So 2 here, and 2 here. If I solve 2 plus 2 into 4, shall I write directly 8, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Here minus
2
8,
plus
sir.
4 into 2, then it is minus 8.
Minus 8.
Multiply
We
3
should
times.
cancel plus 8 minus 8,
Plus
sir.
8 minus.
Beta, this is the favorite work of everyone, cancellation. But there is one danger with it. The moment you cancel, you become more confident. In the exam, you may cancel this also. Getting my point?
No, sir.
It
No, sir.
happens in the exam hall. It
Yes, sir.
happens sometimes.
One, sir.
I'm not telling every time. It happens. So be careful. These are positive, negative, cancel them. But both are positive. Beta. No cancel it. You have the answer?
4, sir.
Any confusions, beta, in the second main?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Because in second main, I solved 2 questions. Am I right? Here also, I did not get the value
Yes.
0. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the 2 questions I solved in the second main, those values are also not the zeros of the given polynomial. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, shall I
Yeah.
read third
Yeah.
question, sir?
Yeah, beta. Read out third main now. Okay? Read.
Yes, sir. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicate against them. First of x is equals to 3x plus 1. X is equals to minus 1 divided by 3.
Minus 1 divided by 3. Students, look at the third main question. Somewhat, the difficulty level will be more here. The fraction values you are going to get. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But if you
sir.
remember, at the beginning only I said, whatever the values we are going to choose for the variable x, for the variable m, whatever be the variable. The values may be 0, may be positive number, may be negative number. It may be a fraction, it may be a decimal also. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it may be a irrational number also. Is there any confusion about the same?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So let us begin with the third main question. What is the change, beta? Let me read the question again. Verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. What does it mean? Beta, look at that. Total 8 questions are there in the third main. How many are there?
8, sir.
8.
8, sir.
In all 8, they have given one or the other polynomial. Correct, beta?
So,
In front of the polynomial, they mentioned some values. Sometimes only one value, sometimes maybe 2 values. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Every time, whatever the value they have given, that you have to take and substitute in the polynomial, solve for it. How we have done in the first main, second main, in the same manner, solve it, get the final answer. If the final answer is 0, you have to say Zindabad. If the final answer is not 0, some other value, you have to say Murdabad. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, what is this? Zindabad and Murdabad here?
So, Zindabad is, it is 0 of polynomial, sir.
It is
Murdabad
non-zero
means it's not a
polynomial.
0.
Yeah, beta. So, your answer is 0 at the end. The given value is considered as 0 of the polynomial. If your answer is not 0 at the end, then the given value is not considered as the 0 of a polynomial. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, one more thing, beta. In the form of enemies, we are finding the enemies now, whether this number is the enemy of this polynomial or not. Okay. Let us check out how to do. This is given polynomial. This is the given value. So let us write, put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So it becomes p of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 as it is. In the place of x, write 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Beta, look at the solution. 3 and 3. One is in numerator, one is in denominator. We can cancel. What is the answer here?
-1, sir.
Minus 1 plus 1. So what is the final answer, beta?
0.
0.
So tell me, what is the conclusion that we have to write?
It is a polynomial.
Yeah.
No, sir.
What is
Minus,
it? Is
minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of a polynomial.
very good, beta. This implies minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial. Better, we'll write of given polynomial. Of given polynomial. What is that given polynomial? 3x plus 1. Got it?
3x plus. Yes, sir.
Beta,
Yes,
do it
sir.
fast. Quick.
Copied, sir.
Yeah. Students, any confusion in the question here?
No, sir.
Okay. Let me go for the fourth one, beta. Who will read? Fourth one. Third main, fourth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read, beta.
Yes, sir.
Any
P
one of
of
you read?
x is P of x is to bracket x plus 1 bracket close bracket x minus 2 bracket close is x is equals to minus 1 and 2.
Okay, beta. Let us see. Directly, I'm going for the fourth one in the third main. Okay. Second and third are left for your practice. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Let's see. P of x is equal to x plus 1, one bracket, into the another bracket x minus 2. They have given a comma and they are telling x is equal to minus 1 comma 2. So now see the change. The change is they have assigned two values for the variable. If you see earlier beta, they gave only one value for the variable, correct?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter how many values they are talking about. Our work, get this minus 1 here, solve it, Zindabad, Murdabad. Get this value, put it here, solve it, Zindabad, Murdabad. Clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, we are doing the verification. Is that clear beta?
Yes, sir. Sir, this is also Zindabad, sir.
Both are Zindabad or else only one is Zindabad
No,
beta?
sir. -1 is
Both are,
Zindabad,
sir.
Okay, let us see. I will do it. Okay. First work. Put x is equal to minus 1. What happens? P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 bracket complete minus 1 minus 2 bracket complete. Am I correct? Yeah. 1 with 1 getting cancelled. 0 into minus 3. Students, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
0 minus, both are negative beta, so it has to be added. 2 and 1, it becomes 3. Minus 3 is the answer. So 0 into minus 3 is 0.
0, sir.
Yeah. This implies minus 1 is a 0
Zeros of the polynomial.
of given polynomial. Beta, we have done only one. Still one more is there. Correct, beta?
2, sir. Yes, sir. This is also.
Similarly, put x is equal to 2. Here, P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 bracket complete, 2 minus 2 bracket complete. If I solve 3 into
3.
0,
0, sir. Answer.
again beta you have to write the sentence. Since the final
2
answer
is
is
a
0,
0. 2 is a 0 of given polynomial.
Yeah beta, write down quick. Write it fast.
Yes, sir. Wrote, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, students, done? Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's go for one more question. Seventh one, little bit difficult because irrational number is involved. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Fine. Gia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Read out the seventh one.
P of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by root 3. 2
And
by
Root 3.
3.
Okay, beta. Let us go for it. Third main seventh question. Given P of x, polynomial in the variable x equal to 3x square minus 1, comma, x values they have given 2 beta. First they give minus 1 by root 3. One more they have given 2 by root 3. Am I
2
right?
by root.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Again, beta, somewhat similar to the earlier question. Need not to worry about it. Only the change is Irrational numbers, how come? That is what we have to take into the consideration. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Add this one. Put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. We will solve it. P of minus 1 by 3 equal to 3 as it is. So, sorry, it is not 1 by 3, it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. If I solve it, 3. Beta, this square is related to numerator also, denominator also, according to the laws of exponent. Correct, beta?
So,
If you remember,
Yes, sir.
we have a law a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power.
m divided by b power m.
In simple words, these two are the sons. Son number 1, son number 2, elder, younger. Okay. And this is the mother. Mother is related to the elder also. Mother is related to the younger also. Is that clear, beta?
Sir.
That is what the concept. Okay, let us see. 1 square is 1. Root 3 the square, beta. What happens? Root
Sir,
3
actually
into
that
root.
is minus 1, sir.
Sorry, beta. Let us make it. It doesn't make any difficulties. Minus 1. Okay, beta. What is the square of minus 1? It is plus 1 only.
1,
No.
yes, sir.
What is the square of root 3, beta?
No, sir, root 9.
Root of square. Look at this. Root 3 the square. Actually, it is root 3 into root of 3. If you solve it, it is root of 9.
Root 9, sir.
Finally, the root of 9 is 3. Correct, beta? It is a perfect square.
Yes, sir.
So in short, what to do is this square root will get cancelled with the square. Answer is 3. That is what I'm going to write directly. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is the detailed information, but simply we can write this square with this root getting cancelled. 3 will be the final answer. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Here also, just now I said square root of 3 the square. I said this and this getting cancelled. Question comes, sir, why this root and this 2 is getting cancelled? If you remember, beta, I was dealing with the one of the question in 2.1 wherein we got root of t. I said this root of t can be written as t to the power half. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In the same manner, this root 3 can be written as 3 to the power half whole raised to 2, beta. I repeat, 3 to the half whole raised to 2. Now you can see this 2 will be cancelled. Finally, 3 will be the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the actual reason. In simple words, you have to remember 2 is going to get cancelled with the root sign. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, minus 1. 3 and 3 getting cancelled. 1 minus 1. What is the answer, beta?
0.
0.
0. So what should be the sentence? What should be the sentence?
Minus by root 3 is 0 of the given polynomial.
0 is a 0 of given polynomial.
given
Better write it fast. Quick. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll give you 1 minute of time. Get the second one, beta. 2 by root 3 in the same manner. Solve it. Quick. Tell me whether it is Zindabad or Murdabad. Beta, anybody got the answer?
Sir, that is not zeros of polynomial.
3, sir.
Murdabad. Murdabad,
Final
sir.
answer.
It is not zero of polynomial.
Murdabad.
2 divided by root 3 is not 0 of given polynomial.
Yeah, beta. This implies 2 by root 3 is not a 0. Is not a 0
Not
of
zero.
given
Yeah.
polynomial. This is what the sentence to be written. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well done, far. Yeah, copy it. What I have done? 2 by root 3. In the place of x, I have written 2 by root 3, the square. If I solve it, 2 the square is 4, root 3 the square is 3, 3 getting cancelled, 4 remains, then minus 1 as it is. Out of 4, remove 1, you will get 3. The final answer is not equal to 0, beta.
3,
Since
sir.
the answer
Yes,
is
sir.
not 0, the given value 2 by root 3 is not a 0 for the given polynomial. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But in the third main, which one you want me to go for? One more I will solve in the third main. Check.
Sixth one, sir.
Shall I go for the sixth one?
Yes, sir.
Any particular reason why you chosen the sixth one? What is the reason? Yeah. Beta, tell me the reason why you
Sir,
went for. Yeah. Hmm.
Sir,
There are
x
only
is equals
variables.
Yeah. Here, obviously, we will go for
Here
this question. The reason. Here, there is no number involved. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everywhere, Jatra is there. This is also unknown. This is also unknown. This is also unknown. And the x value, it is also unknown. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Remember, no need of worrying about it. You have to do your work. If you remember, beta, long back, I have given one homework regarding Bhagavad Gita. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you did not ask me the answer only. Some of you have got the answer, you have put the image to me. But in the next session, nobody discussed, sir, what we were talking about the lesson taught by Lord Krishna to the Arjuna
Arjuna.
at the time of Kurukshetra war. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Beta,
sir.
in simple words, what Lord Krishna told to Arjuna is, you start doing your karma, you start doing your work. Don't worry about the outcome. Don't look at the fruits. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
In Hindi he said, तू अपना कर्म करते जा, फल का अपेक्षा मत कर. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So,
That is what I'm telling you, beta, here. You don't worry. Don't bother about number. Number is there or not. It is not your work. You should do your karma, your work. Correct?
Yes, sir.
so
Yes, sir.
What is our karma, beta? What I have to write? Put x equal to.
Minus m divided by L.
So P of minus m by L is equal to L as it is in the place of x. Write this one. Plus m as it is. L and L getting cancelled. Minus m plus m. You can see favorite
Zero,
work.
sir.
Cancel 0. So what will be the conclusion, beta?
Nothing, sir.
Mine,
Conclusion is m minus m by L.
Minus
The
m
given
divided by L is 0 of the given polynomial.
0 of given polynomial. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
so
Yes, sir.
But just imagine the way how you respond to me. In the same manner, if Arjuna could have responded to Lord Krishna, there was no Kurukshetra, beta. Krishna could have hanged himself. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So be careful. Today's moral, take home kind of thing. You should do your work, beta. Duty. Don't bother about the outcome, about the fruits. fruits will be given as per the requirement, as per the justification made by your work. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts in the third main section?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. With this, I'm going to end the class today. In the next class, beta, fourth main section will be dealt with you people. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today's homework: 2 questions from the second main and whatever the questions I left from the third main. You have to do it properly, beta. Get the images, put it to me in the group so that everyone can see your answers. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. With this, I'm ending the session. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta.